Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises professional performance right in your home kitchen, the made in 10-inch ceramic non-stick frying pan. This isn't just another frying pan, Made in has a reputation for quality, and we're here to see if this particular pan lives up to the hype. Let's start with the essentials. The pan boasts a total diameter of 10.5 inches, with a cooking surface diameter of 7.5 inches. It stands 3.25 inches high with the handle, has a depth of 1.75 inches, and a generous length of 19.25 inches from the tip of the handle to the opposite edge of the pan. These dimensions make it a substantial size, suitable for cooking for a small family or for preparing larger portions of a single dish. Now, let's talk about what really matters for a non-stick pan, the coating. Made in highlights their high-performance ceramic coating, and importantly, it's free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a significant selling point for many home cooks who are increasingly conscious of the materials they use in their kitchens. A truly healthy non-stick surface is a rare find, and if this ceramic coating performs as promised, it could be a game-changer. Beneath that healthy coating lies the heart of this pan, its premium 5-ply, cladded construction. This means it's built from 5 layers of metal. This multi-ply construction is designed to offer excellent heat control and responsiveness. The idea is that the different metal layers work together to distribute heat evenly across the entire cooking surface, minimizing hot spots and allowing for more consistent cooking results. This is a feature you typically find in much more expensive professional-grade cookware, so it's exciting to see it here. Versatility is another key aspect of modern cookware, and this made-in pan doesn't disappoint. It's oven-safe, which is fantastic. You can start a dish on the stovetop and then move it directly to the oven to finish cooking or achieve that perfect sear, and it can handle temperatures up to a very respectable 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Furthermore, it's induction compatible. This means it will work on all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. This broad compatibility makes it a practical choice for almost any kitchen setup. Made in proudly states that their cookware is crafted in the USA with imported components. This commitment to domestic manufacturing is often associated with higher quality and attention to detail, and it's a testament to their dedication to producing professional-grade kitchen tools. So, let's break down the pros and cons based on these details. On the positive side, the 5-ply construction promises superior heat distribution and control, which is crucial for preventing burnt food and achieving even browning. The healthy, non-toxic ceramic coating is a major win for health-conscious cooks. The oven-safe feature up to 550F adds significant versatility. Its compatibility with all stovetops, including induction, makes it a universally applicable pan. And of course, the Made in USA aspect speaks to potential quality and durability. The Stay Cool stainless steel handle is also a thoughtful ergonomic touch, preventing those dreaded burns during cooking. However, no product is perfect, and we need to consider potential drawbacks. Ceramic non-stick coatings, while healthy, can sometimes be less durable than traditional PTFE-based coatings, especially if not cared for properly. Scratching and abrasion can reduce their effectiveness over time. While the 5-ply construction is excellent, it can also make the pan heavier than a standard aluminum pan. The price point for premium cookware like this, especially with USA manufacturing, can also be higher than budget-friendly options. Finally, while the cooking surface is 7.5 inches, some users might find a 10-inch pan with a smaller usable surface a bit restrictive for very large meals. In conclusion, the made in 10-inch ceramic non-stick frying pan appears to be a very well-constructed piece of cookware that prioritizes health, performance, and versatility. The combination of its robust 5-ply build, a healthy ceramic coating, and its ability to go from stovetop to oven makes it a compelling option for serious home cooks. If you're looking to invest in a durable, high-performing pan that's also safe for your family, this made-in pan is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.